Good morning, my powerful YouTube family and friends. Guys, listen to this rain. Powerful rainfall this morning, guys. It's only 11:30 here in beautiful Jamaica, and the rain is coming down, guys. The rain is pouring down. So for this, we also wake up and we give God thanks. Might not be raining where you are, my friends, but you know what? There is still something there to be thankful for. And so please make sure that you are finding those beautiful moments to create fond memories and to be thankful. Sometimes we spend so much time worried about the things that are not edifying, the things that are just sucking the life out of us, instead of just looking forward to the things that are uplifting, that can put a smile on our faces. But that's what we want. We want laughter. We want laughter, guys. We want smiles so that those endorphins can light up our brains and our body can respond likewise. When we worry, we fret, we stress, we do everything except finding ways to be thankful, trusting God to do the unthinkable, asking God to guide. And when He guides us, don't act like you can do better. I always laugh when people, like, they're asking God for companions, right? They're not looking for companions. They're looking for, boy, we need a man. I don't know how some people lucky so can find man and me can't find nobody. When God has really provided people for us, But guess what we do? We don't want what God provides. God knows who will be there for us, who will cherish us, who will be a good provider for us, who will respect us, who will go the last mile for us. But that's not who we want. We want somebody who dress up and look good, who spend all their money on foolish things. That's what we get excited about. We get excited about things and people that don't even wish us good, people who embarrass us. People who disrespect us, people who talk smack about us, people who are lazy, they don't want to work and provide for anybody or anything. Those are the people we get excited about. I know, they will change. They will change. Oh, they didn't mean it. They didn't mean. No, guys, get up. It's not about what people look like. It's about how people treat us. We want that respect. You hear me? So this morning, as I'm watching the rainfall, I'm just grateful to God. I'm telling you, I'm thankful. I hear me say it often, and it's true. It is true. I'm telling you, my heart is thankful. So we just got this beautiful downpour, guys. And it's so funny. I load the washing machines I was going to wash. In Jamaica, you don't need dryers if you hang out the clothes outside. And I load the machine, and I was going to wash, and then I said, I have breadfruit. Let me fry some breadfruit for the kids and some Ovaltine and some eggs. And I stopped the machine to do just that. I didn't start the machine. I said, let me get this done so they can have something to eat. And then here comes the rain. So we're just laughing out loud. So look at how God is good. Because I was going to wake up earlier. Then my sister called me. Good morning, my sister Yvonne in New York. And we're chatting for a long, long time, just chatting about God's goodness to us as a family. My mom has 5 of us. And we have to be thankful. 5 kids. 5 kids went to college. 5 kids with children doing okay. And we're just grateful to God. I was telling her, I said, our mom must have done well because she didn't do anything to edge our teeth. You know, they said the things that our parents and foreparents do, it edge the kids' teeth. So it comes back on us, it falls back on us. But thank God, you know, I was just saying to her, I think we have, you know, we are so blessed, so we have to be, you know, a blessing to others. And we were just going over things, and that sucked up like an hour of my time. And then I have the storage unit. I said, you know what, let me reach out before the money is due. Let me reach out and get this money paid. And then I decided, the kids got up. I said, okay, do bathroom and come back. Let me get your breakfast. They didn't want cereal today. Thank God we were able to find something different. So I had roasted breadfruit. Guys, I showed you the breadfruits from the country. And I'd roasted them inside. So again, I was able to fry up some this morning for them. And they enjoyed their breakfast immensely. So guys, I am thankful. I am so grateful to God for all things, great and small. I am truly, truly thankful. So I'm hoping as you watch this video, you will think about something that you can be thankful for as well. And go forth with thanksgiving on your lips. Thanks to family, thanks to friends, thanks to anybody who have been there for you, uplifted you, helped you when you had not a penny left. Those who have encouraged you when you felt like you were at your lowest point. Please remember, those are things to be thankful for. And don't forget to say God bless you to those people who have been there for you. All right, my people, my family, my friends, make it a great day by choice. Much love always. Okay, so I'm coming back to do another video. So watch this video, like the video, share it out, and stay tuned for a video that I'll post later today about my experiences yesterday as a returning resident, and something that we need to know as returning residents when we have intentions of coming back to your country and you have to do things in the bank. So stay tuned for that video, guys. I need to share that with you because it was a wake-up call for me yesterday. And so stay tuned. Bye.